Those numbers have some parents worried about sending their kids back to class next week. The governor banned mask mandates, and now some local parents are suing. 10 Tampa Bay's Liz Crawford spoke with them and the governor about what it could mean.
Charles Gallagher is a dad of 2 young girls. His 7-year-old Carolyn is in remission from leukemia.
Obviously, it's a fear that she would contract COVID, have any kind of illness effects, or the family would at all. So it's a deep-seated concern.
Gallagher is a St. Petersburg attorney. He and 6 other Tampa Bay lawyers plan to file a lawsuit challenging the governor's executive order banning schools from requiring masks.
Our Constitution gives our local school districts the authority to make these kinds of decisions separate from the governor's office and his administration's point of view.
A one-size-fits-all approach is not best for Florida. We have 67 counties, and each county's got a different spread rate.
Hours after I talked to the attorneys, I took their complaint directly to DeSantis.
Governor, 6 attorneys in Tampa Bay are planning on filing a lawsuit in the coming days challenging your executive order banning mask requirements in schools. I just spoke with them a little bit ago. They said that it's unconstitutional because it should be left up to school boards. What is your response?
The legislature passed a Parents' Bill of Rights that I signed into law about a month and a half ago and laid down the law in the state of Florida is that parents have the fundamental right to raise their children, their health and well-being, and that has to be respected by the state at all levels of government. What are the harmful effects of putting a kindergartner in a mask for 7 hours? Have they talked about the emotional, the academic, the physiological? Why isn't CDC studying that?
Right now, the CDC is recommending universal mask wearing in schools, regardless of vaccination status. Governor DeSantis said the Department of Education will meet tomorrow to discuss other proposed rules for the upcoming school year.